Hey everyone, my name is Michael Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs, and I'm excited today to show you a brand new floor plan by Forest River Georgetown. Now, Forest River Georgetown has been a top producer of Class A motorhomes really since I've been in the business for about 15 years, and it's exciting to see when they come out with new innovative floor plans, and this is one that they have just come out with. So you can see we have a great selection of brand new Forest River Georgetowns behind me. We have all the top selling models, 2019, 2020s here in stock, prepped and ready to go, and also at the very best price in the United States. Take this one in particular, 2019. This is the new floor plan, 34H5 they call it, Forest River Georgetown. This is going to be a triple slide Georgetown at the best price in the United States at $111,000. Now, financing is available. If you have questions on that, please inquire. Give us a call or send us an email. We'd be happy to help you out. We also have a finance application you can fill out right from our website. So the first thing that I noticed when looking at a Class A motorhome is the front end of it. This is a very demanding front end. It's sleek, it's all one-piece fiberglass, and it has a one-piece windshield, meaning there's not a split going down the middle of the windshield. It really looks nice. This also has the Ford chassis is what this is built on, and this is going to give you the big 22.5-inch wheels. So this is the bigger chassis. It's going to allow it to ride very, very nice. The Forest River upfits this chassis with Alcoa aluminum rims, which, if you know the name, the Alcoa name is a premium name in the rim world. There are some off-brand Chinese rims that other companies are putting on that just don't stand up to the quality. 2 slides on the non-door entry side. Plenty of storage that goes all the way down. All the storage compartments are slam latch baggage doors that you can open with one hand. Up front here is your propane, which really makes it easy to get to go to fill it. This is a fully automated coach with a built-in Onan 5500 generator. Now that is also maintained by Cummins is the brand behind that, so you've got a wide range of service centers while you're on the road to get that service if that would happen to cause you any trouble. Some pass-through storage. This is going to go all the way through, 8 foot wide here all the way to the other side, and this entire pass-through is the Rotocast plastic material. What's super nice about that is typically you put dirtier stuff down here in your basement storage. When you get it out to clean it, you can literally take a hose and wash this out. All the storage compartments are going to have drain holes for the water to drain out, and therefore you'll be able to keep this clean and they'll be looking good for years to come. Typically in used motorhomes, you look in the baggage compartments, they're all rusted out because they're made out of metal. Some are even done with wood and carpet over them, and that's not a good idea for moisture. Some more storage, again, all the way through to the other side. And even some more storage. So 3 pass-through storage compartments, and that's a big pass-through area there. I'd say it's almost a foot tall. Coming on back to the rear, this is a partial paint coach. All the black you see is painted, and then it has the colored fiberglass as well to really allow it to look nice and sleek. Here's your water hookup station here. Comes with an outside shower and also a water filtration system. Your power cord built in. It's a 50-amp power station. That'll be enough power to power both air conditioners up on the roof at the same time. Speaking about the roof, it does have a ladder to get up there onto the roof. It's a one-piece fiberglass roof as well, and it's a crowned roof, meaning it's got a curvature to it. And also the rear cap is a one-piece fiberglass just like the front cap. A lot of companies cheapen them up. They just put a piece of Phylon on the back. It's not going to be a solid fiberglass rear cap. Behind here, see if I can get to it, you have outside TV. If my key works, we'll show you. Sorry about that. I meant to unlock it and I forgot. I don't think my key is going to do the trick. Sorry about that. But outside television behind there also has a built-in radio back here. Jensen radio. This will come with 2 power awnings on it. So this entire side of the door, entry side of the motorhome, is going to be covered with an awning. So 2 awnings on it. It's really nice. That awning goes all the way to the other side of the door. So even underneath your door, you will be protected. It's a 2019 Forest River Georgetown 34H5. More ride upfits the chassis, so Ford sends the chassis directly to Georgetown. Georgetown then sends it to Ford, where they upright it to make it, or to allow it to have a solid surface to be built on. More Ride also does this for most of the ambulances and fire trucks that you see on the roads. So they're a very good company at doing that. Some new changes up here for this year in the cockpit area. You've got a new station up here for the co-pilot. And this is going to, hard to do with one hand. There we go. It's got a little work table that folds up closer to you. Has appropriate power here. And USB. And also a beverage holder. Of course, heat and air conditioning up here in the cab. Also new this year is this giant radio. Nice flat screen radio. This is going to also double as your backup and side camera. So when I flip this in reverse, we'll be able to see what's behind us. And then side camera, when I turn on either turn signals, it's going to show us what is in that blind spot right beside us, which is great when you're traveling down that interstate. All of our motorhomes get shipped right from the factory. Should all have between 200 and 300 miles on them because we're very close. Another reason we can be the best price in the United States. This comes with automatic leveling jack. Simply push a button and it will automatically level this motorhome. No work required. A little finger work, I guess. Both chairs do swivel around when you get to your destination to allow for more seating for guests and such when you get to your campsite. Also, this has the optional power bunk above the driver and passenger seat. That'll come down via a button and you can sleep an extra person up there. What I really like about that, it's there if you need it and it's not there if you don't need it. So it's very, very handy to have. This motorhome will come equipped with a Norcold 18 cubic foot RV refrigerator. So this is going to be a 4-door refrigerator, 2 freezer doors up top, 2 refrigerator doors down below. That allows you to really stack a lot of food in here. And being in a Norcold RV refrigerator, you don't need to run your generator for that to work, and you don't need inverted power either. That's going to work off battery power and propane to keep your food cool. Check out this kitchen. I just love it. Has the big oven, the nice microwave up here, and a solid surface rock type material for the countertop, which allows them to use a stainless steel sunk down split sink. And that's a nice, thick, heavy rock countertop. A lot of companies are using something a little bit more plastic-like. Although it might look good, it really doesn't last very long. Big U-dinette. What I like how the Georgetown does the U-dinette is they put the backrest back there, so you can actually use this as an extra seating area. That all, of course, will come down for extra sleeping. This has the very comfortable theater seating. These theater seats do a little bit more than just recline. They also have a heat feature, a massage feature, and they're power open and power closed, along with having 4 beverage holders. And that makes for good seating when you're watching your television on this nice flat screen TV with a sound bar. Or maybe if you're just sitting and enjoying the ambience of the Furrion fireplace. That fireplace will actually double as a space heater. So on a chilly morning, you'll be able to take the chill out of the air with that. This is a bath and a half floor plan, which I personally like. This is the half bath up front here. Has nice storage and a nice stool, along with a sink with hot and cold water. Coming back to the bedroom, I have a king bed. In a 34-foot motorhome, that's unusual to have a king bed. And it's easy to walk around all 3 sides, particularly the foot of the bed. You got enough room here to even change if need be. And then all the way in the rear is the master bathroom. So this is a big bathroom. Has the one-piece shower here. This is all one-piece fiberglass, which really looks good. And it has a glass door to separate it off. and a lot of countertop space here, and a sink as well. Good storage in the master bedroom for all your clothes and such, and also comes with a television. Again, 2 air conditioners on this. This right now, the manufacturer states that we should sell this for $165,474. We at Paul Sherry's, we pride ourselves in having the very best price in the United States for the equipment on it, without the extra gimmicks and fees that the other dealers are charging right now. And that price is $117,980. But right now, for our sale going on for this month, we have this on sale. Get your pen out for only $111,000 even. It's quite a savings, and we have a good selection of brand new motorhomes, Georgetowns, Chateau Class C's, Dynamax B Pluses, and also we have the brand new Omni Super C. So check out our website. It's paulsherryrvs.com. Thanks for watching. Everyone, get out, have a lot of fun today, and let's go enjoy ourselves, enjoy our families, and get out and go camping and do some traveling.